This is a tutorial to explain how to format your paper in compliance with APA documentation style. There are several aspects to this process. First of all, you need to make sure that your font and font size are in compliance with APA. To do this, go up to the toolbar where it says Font, choose your drop-down menu, and make sure that your font is Times New Roman. You may have to scroll through the list to find it. The fonts are listed alphabetically. Once you have found your Times New Roman, you want to make sure you've highlighted that. And then you also want to check the size and make sure that the font size is 12. At the bottom of that dialog box, you want to click Set as Default and choose All Documents so that you don't have to go through this process every time you write a paper. The next step in complying with APA format is to create a header on your papers. To do this, you're going to go up to where it says Insert, and over on the right, look for where it says Page Number. Use the drop-down, choose Top of Page, and choose the third option, Plain Number 3. Your page number is now on the right side with the cursor right beside it on the left. Here you will type the title of your paper in all caps. If your title is lengthy, you may use a shortened version. Hit the Tab key on your keyboard 2 times to move your title over to the left with the page number remaining on the right. Now you need to go up to the toolbar again and choose Different First Page. When you click that box, everything will disappear, but don't worry. You're going to go over to the left this time to find Page Number. Use the drop-down to choose Top of Page. Third option, Plain Number 3. You'll see the page number again on the right. This time, you're going to type the words Running Head, space, and then the title of your paper in all caps. Hit your Tab key 2 times again, and you'll see your title over here and your page number over on the right. Double-click below the dotted line, and you'll see now your header is in grayed out font. And if you were to go to the next page, you would see that page 2 will have the second style without the running head words, and that would be in compliance with APA. The next item is to type the information that you need on the title page. That information consists of the full title of your paper, the author, the institution, and the date. This information should be double-spaced and centered in the upper half of the page. So we'll first go to change our spacing to double space. You can go to where it says Paragraph, use the drop-down, and under Line Spacing, choose double space. Or you can use the shortcut, choosing 2.0, which is double spacing. We need to also change our alignment to center align. And we need to have our information in the upper half, but not way, way up at the top. So we're going to hit Enter about 10 times. Actually, only about 5 since I have it double spaced. And here we'll put our full title. This time we will not use all caps. And if your title is very lengthy and it goes to a second line, that's fine. But it will be the first thing that you type. Hit Enter. It will give you your double spacing. You'll put your name as the author. You'll hit Enter again. You'll put the institution. And then finally, you'll put the date. You can check to see if visually this looks good, if it's above the halfway point, but not too far up. That looks pretty good to me. All right, then you're going to go down to the next page, and this is where you'll actually begin starting to type your paper. We're going to start with the title once more, centering it, and using not all caps. Again, we need to make sure we are double spaced. Looks like I'm not. Let me see what happened here. Yep, let's make that double spacing again. Put your alignment back over to the left. Be sure to indent using the Tab key. And then here you will begin typing your paper. For this tutorial, that is all you need to know to set up your paper in the proper format. Another tutorial will explain how to create a references page.